Good day, ladies and gentlemen. For today's topic, we have computation of overtime pay. So let's not waste any more time and let's know more about this topic. Overtime pay is extra pay for hours worked beyond regular work hours, usually at a higher rate. So for our first example, we have ordinary day. So what will be the overtime pay on an ordinary day? If you work overtime on a regular work day, you are paid 1.25 times your regular hourly rate. So for our solution, we have regular hourly rate equals 100 reals. And the overtime hourly rate is 100 reals times 1.25, which will give us 125 reals, which will be your overtime pay on an ordinary day. Second will be on a rest day and a special day. Overtime on a rest day or special day, which is non-working holiday, is usually paid at 1.3 times your regular hourly rate, plus the overtime. So for our solution, we have regular hourly rate, which equals again to 100 reals, and for our overtime hourly rate, which will give us 100 reals times 1.3 times 1.25, which will give us the final answer of 162.50 reals. And that will be your overtime pay on a rest day and a special day. Third is we have on a rest day which falls on a special day. If a rest day coincides with a special non-working day, the rate is typically 1.5 times your regular hourly rate, plus the overtime rate. Regular hourly rate which equals to 100 reals, and the overtime hourly rate which equals to 100 reals times 1.5 times 1.25, which will give us the final answer of 187.50 reals. And that will be your overtime pay on a rest day which falls on a special day. Fourth, on a regular holiday. For overtime on a regular holiday, the rate is usually 2 times your regular hourly rate, plus the overtime. So, the regular hourly rate which equals to 100 reals again, and the overtime hourly rate which equals to 100 reals times 2 times 1.25, which will give us the final answer of 250 reals, which will be your overtime pay on a regular holiday. And lastly, for our fifth one, on a rest day which falls on a regular holiday. If a regular holiday coincides with a rest day, the rate is usually 2.6 times the regular hourly rate, plus the overtime, which will give us the regular hourly rate which equals to 100 reals, and the overtime hourly rate which equals to 100 reals times 2.6 times 1.25, which will give us the final answer of 325 reals. And that will be your overtime pay on a rest day which falls on a regular holiday. Note, before we end this video, the exact rates may vary depending on a company policy or specific labor laws. I hope you liked the video and found it interesting. Please leave a subscribe button and thank you for watching.